Understanding benchmarking data, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and useful concept in the business and academic world: benchmarking data. This is a term you might encounter in various fields, so understanding it can be really beneficial. Let's dive in and make sense of this concept together. Before we delve into benchmarking data, it's crucial to understand what benchmarking means. In simple terms, benchmarking is the process of comparing your own business, products, services, or processes against other companies or industry standards. It's like measuring yourself against others to see where you stand and how you can improve. Imagine running a race and looking at the fastest runners to set your own goals. That's benchmarking in action. Now, let's focus on benchmarking data. This term refers to the specific information and metrics gathered during the benchmarking process. It's the raw data that tells you how well you're doing compared to others. This can include sales numbers, customer satisfaction scores, production costs, and more. Think of it as the scores on a leaderboard that show where you rank in the competition. Why is benchmarking data important? It helps businesses and organizations to identify areas where they need improvement and develop strategies to enhance their performance. By understanding where they stand in relation to others, they can make informed decisions to boost their efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. To make the best use of benchmarking data, it's essential to know how to interpret and apply it. This involves analyzing the data carefully, understanding the context, and making actionable plans for improvement. It's not just about knowing the numbers but understanding what they mean for your business or study area. I hope this video has helped you understand what benchmarking data is and why it's so valuable in various fields. Remember, it's all about learning from others and using that knowledge to grow and improve. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring and learning new things.